I'm Christian Staples with Arctic Spas. Let's go over how to use your Arctic Spa Topside control panel with our Core Series spas. The Core Series has two different Topside options, the standard and the touchscreen. This video will go over the touchscreen Topside. The first thing that you'll need to do is to wake up the Topside. Just touch the screen and you'll see two images. You'll need to slide the white image over the top of the colored image. Now you'll see the functions on the Topside displayed. Starting with pump number 1, which has a 1 under the circle, this button has 3 settings, low, high, and off. Press the pump number 1 button once and it will turn it on low speed. Press it again for high speed, then press it a third time to turn it off. When the Arctic Spa is already on low speed because it is heating or in the filtration cycle, your only option would be to turn it on high with the first press and then back to low with the second press. The next button is pump number 2. It has 2 settings, either off or high speed. Simply press it once to activate high speed. Then press it again to turn it off. The next button is the light button. You can press the button once to turn on the lights, then press it again to turn them off. Each time you turn the lights on, then off, and back on again, it will advance to the next light program. Each program is another color or sequence, such as fading through the colors or a solid color like blue. If you don't like the current light program, just turn the lights off and back on again. It will advance to the next light program. Keep doing this until you have the color or sequence that you want. Then the next time you return to your spa, it will be where you left off when you turn it back on again. Under these buttons, you have the temperature up and down. You press either button to display the temperature, then press one or the other to turn the temperature up or down. Those are all the functions that you'll use most frequently. Now here are a few functions that you'll use less frequently. These are the buttons on the right side of the screen. Invert the display. This is the box with the circle arrows in it. Press it once to show the menu choices of either inverted or normal. Press one or the other as needed. Contrast, the black and white sun. This button will change it to day or night contrast. This will help you see the display better during the day or at night. Sleep mode. This is the moon with some Z's. This button will turn everything off so you can just enjoy the silence. Press it once to display the sleep mode screen, then press the icon again to activate sleep mode. Then reverse the process to turn it off. Then moving on to the left side of the screen, normal display. This is the waves in the blue circle. This will bring you back to the normal display where you can operate the pumps, light, and temperature. Settings. This is the yellow button with the gear wheels inside. Press once to bring up the settings menu. You can either use the menu with the words or the icons on the right. Here are the different settings you can adjust. Water care. This offers you different programs for water filtration settings. Honestly, this is probably not worth using much. We recommend just keeping it on the standard. You can set it to adjust your different filtration cycles based on your usage. You can set this individually for each program and then select the desired program from this menu. To make the change, touch the pencil next to the program to edit. We will just use the standard program. You will be able to set the days you want the filtration cycle to run or have different run times for each day. We would just recommend that you use every day. Then you can set the start time and the run time for each filtration cycle, and you can add the number of filtration cycles per day. We typically recommend 4 filtration cycles per day, each lasting 1 hour for a total of 4 hours per day. Onsen. If your Arctic Spa is equipped with our Onsen saltwater system, you can see the Onsen menu. Click on this to display your start time, duration, and frequency. Click on each one to make the change. The start time is just when the onsen will turn on each day. You can click on this and select the start hour. Then click on the onsen button on the right side to advance to the duration. Once again, you can select the number of hours for each cycle. We start the setting off at 2 hours. You can adjust this number up or down as needed. If your test strips are reading below 1, then turn it up by 1 hour. If it is above 3 on the test strips, then turn it down by 1 hour. Then press the onsen button again to move on to the onsen frequency. This is the number of cycles per day. Typically, we set this at 4 times a day, but you can change it as needed. Then press the onsen button again. Maintenance. You can set reminders if you are interested. Date and time. Use this to set the current date and time. Press it once to display the menu, and then press the set date to change the date, and then press the set time to change the time. Press the date button on the right when you have made the change. Keypad. This refers to the features on the keypad, such as switching from Celsius to Fahrenheit, inverting the display, changing the contrast, or changing the language. Configuration. This is just really for setting up your spa for the options that you have. Usually you will not need to worry about this. Miscellaneous will just show you messages that you need to be informed of. About will show you the software version on the top side. And that's it. For more help and information, you can check out our support and FAQ page at ArcticSpaStore.com/support. Send us an email at support@ArcticSpaStore.com or give us a call at 801-483-1001. Find everything you need for your Arctic Spa with the convenience of free home delivery at ArcticSpaStore.com.